Yep, it's a rainy day in Istanbul, but we've got things to do and places to explore. Welcome to Istanbul Airport, also known as IST, where even a layover feels like a cultural experience. Okay, first impression. This airport is enormous. I mean, colossal. If you think you're just going to breeze from gate to gate, good luck. Istanbul is one of the world's largest terminals, over 7,600 square feet. So, stretch first. All right, we're through security, and this is where the adventure begins. Welcome to the heart of Istanbul Airport. First, you notice space, lots and lots of space. This place is huge, like you could probably fit a small town in here. Gates are spread far apart, so if you got a connection, give yourself plenty of time. I've seen people underestimate the distance and end up doing a full-on airport sprint. Not my cardio plan for today. Travel tip. The IGA Istanbul Airport app is a lifesaver for finding gates, restaurants, and even restrooms without doing the wander and hope method. Now, before we even think about food, I'm making my first stop at a store that's hard to miss and impossible for me to walk past.
Hello, please. We have line. You can discover the store. I will send you some more.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
First stop, Louis Vuitton. This boutique opened here at IST in October 2020. And it's a beauty. Everything from signature fragrances to buttery, soft purses. And the staff, super friendly. If you're heading back to the USA, remember, you can claim up to 18% VAT refund. Just ask the store for a tax-free form. Get it stamped at customs before checking your bag, then head to the VAT counter. Boom, money back. Pulling my any zip carry-on black carry-on luggage, link in the description if you're curious. Super lightweight and glides like butter. And we can talk about this ceiling. Designed by Grimshaw Architects, it blends Ottoman and Islamic influences from modern designs. The vaulted structure and skylights is gorgeous and functional. Next up, the Old Bazaar. If you missed out on Istanbul's great Grand Bazaar, this airport's version's a nice surprise. Check out these hand-woven rugs made using traditional double knotting techniques passed down for centuries. Each rug tells a story, sometimes tribal, sometimes floral, but always 100% Turkish. And the leather goods here, beautifully crafted, and they smell amazing. Yeah, that's Alexander the Great. Why is he here? Well, The airport incorporates exhibits and nods to Istanbul's historic role as the bridge between East and West. Alexandria passed through ancient Anatolia. Don't kill me if I pronounce it right. So you'll find a few historic surprises hidden in the terminal. Lost? These e-kiosks are lifesavers. You can search gate numbers, restaurants, lounges, you name it. The interface is clean, quick, and even supports multiple languages. Travel tip: need help? There are roaming airport staff trained to assist international travelers. They even have language badges so you know who speaks what. I'm a little hungry, so I'm going to grab a snack. I grabbed something quick from the Smith-Saray, home of the iconic Turkish sesame bagel. You can also find pizza, Italian, sushi, Shake Shack, and the Greenport. If you're feeling bougie, pro tip, get a seat by the window for some excellent plane spotting. Goodness gracious, I can't speak. Anyway, so if you're lucky enough to snag access to the airport's airline business lounge, you're in for a treat. Gourmet dining, private suites, showers, even a cinema. No access? You can still book a IGA lounge online. Definitely worth it if your layover is longer than 3 hours. I did that and I was so glad I did. I was able to take a nap before I took off, because it was at least 3 hours before my flight. All right, that's it, boarding time. I walked over 10,000 steps in this airport. That's before hitting the gate, but honestly, IST is one of the best airports. Well, one of, because I still put Singapore at the top. It's a distinguished not just for stops, second to Singapore Airport, and be sure to